Perform a small science experiment that will amaze even the teachers. By using 2 bottles and a ruler to support a magnet, you can stand 4 coins upright on a table. It can also rotate. This is not a special effect, it's the power of science. Place a half-full mouthwash bottle upside down into a water-filled plastic bottle, then cover with the lid. You can control the bottle inside to float up and down from the outside with your fingers. Stick a piece of tape on a balloon, puncture it with a needle, and the balloon will remain intact without leaking any air. This is the principle of a tire. A piece of paper can be easily burned by flames, but if you place a glass cup over it and then set it on fire, the paper will char, but not catch fire. Pour a bowl of hot boiling water. There is a special metallic memory wire that you can bend into any shape. Once thrown into the hot water, it instantly goes back to its original shape. This is the magic of memory metal. Cut off the bottom of the mineral water bottle, turn it upside down, and put a ping pong ball inside. Pour in some water, and you'll find that the ping pong ball doesn't float up. If you seal the bottom of a flat bottom flask with your hand, the ball will float again.